can disconnect it like this. That would be fun. Old cars, always something. So, but this is an Audi, so from the very good Audi times, everything was impeccable quality. And the bolt below seems like maybe we'll have to address that from below, so we can bend away this little piece. And thanks for the straw, WD-40. Hopla. All three. And wait a minute, looks like perhaps I can cheat a bit with the Milwaukee. So I'll just break it loose by hand. 17 on there. Up. Yep. It's coming. Then the other one. Ooh, don't have a lot of room here to play around. Maybe with the socket wrench. 17. Lefty loosey. So let's check this out. It's okay. Is this a different bowl or what? Doesn't seem to slide on. And there's not a lot of room there, so it seems. So this one pops on, but there's no room for the wrench to go on there. So we'll need to loosen that one from below. Up. No problem. Take off the just put the wheels back. Yeah, we'll take off the engine cover. Don't mind the beer. Get a little party. Let's see, what do we have here? Flathead screwdriver. Yeah, looking good. Oh, and of course check out the brakes. They're gone. The brakes are gone. Yeah, discs and brake pads. Yep. Let's note it. Yep. And also the drive shaft is gone. This side. It's easy to check it out like this. And this side is this side is better. That's okay. And also a problem with tracking. This side is gone, and this side is not perfect, but better. Yep. Flatheads. I broke it, damn it. and this one too, but it's better. So just a quarter of a turn and they fall out. Wow, that one really, one that's missing. Another one that's falling out. It's good. Then we have one over here. Quarter of turn. Up. One that's missing, but I put a strap on last time. And one over there. A little rubber from the weather seal. So 3 bolts here. Yep. And this one lives in here. So we put it back. And don't forget it. Yep. So we need a little cutter. And hopla, just cut it, cut the strap. Yes, and the last bolt. Of course, this is the annoying one. Come on. Yeah, just turn it left to right, whatever. And it's coming out. Also, it has to smack it. So this should be, no, there are more on the inside of the wheel wells. Yep. I'll take my little one. Yep. I'll take the little one. Yep. And just spin the wheel a bit. And now we can twist them. Or with a penny or something like that. Just the same quarter of a turn. Take it, look, it's just up like this and it comes out. Up. And of course this one is not willing to come out. Yep. And now it is. So I leave this one here for the time being, so it doesn't drop on my face. Then hopla, turn the wheel again. Hopla. And there we have the other ones. Oh, there's only one here. Okay. Yep.